Pranams and welcome to Amra Integral Healing. Today we are going to discuss the reasons for creatine shoot up, natural remedies for and techniques to keep creatine under control, and ways to avoid dialysis. Let us have a brief look at what is the so-called creatine. Our body is a moving machine. The creator, the nature, has created our body in such a way that it has to be, it's an auto moving machine. In fact, all creatures' body. So it has to be ignited, it has to be powered, and it has to be lubricated. So, but the lubricants, the power supply, the ignition, everything is being manufactured inside our body itself with the so-called Panchabhutas or the 5 elements, different permutations and combinations. So many chemicals are being prepared in our body during our metabolism, and every day so many hormones and chemicals are being manufactured or prepared inside our body itself. Creatine is a chemical prepared by the muscles to meet the wear and tear of the muscles. So, human body is created in such a way that it has to be, all the joints, all the muscles has to be in movement. Every day it has to be moved, all the joints and all the muscles has to be moved. But now what is happening in our modern life? There is no movement for the entire muscles or joints every day. As far as a white collar job person is concerned, there is no movement. Even though a housewife who is complaining of so many household duties day and night will not be having that much movement, or she will not be moving her entire muscles or her entire joints. Why? It's so much mechanized. Our kitchens are so much mechanized. Need not carry water from the well, need not grind the masalas or curry mix on the so-called conventional stone, like that. No sweeping, no mopping, nothing like that. Everything has been mechanized. So what happens? This creatine is being prepared by our muscles under the expectation that every day these muscles will be having some movements, and this is to be it has to be met with the or taken care by the creatine. But luckily or unluckily, it is not being used. So what will happen? The unused creatine is being converted to creatinine, and it is appearing in your blood. And actually, in fact, our kidneys can manage a certain amount of creatinine. They can filter it up and send it out of the body. But once the levels shoot up, there is no muscle movement every day, or no joint movement every day. There is no kind of muscle exertion. What will happen? It is being piled up or lumped up in the blood. Then that's the time when your doctor tell you there is a creatine shoot up. And as it goes on, it shooting up, you will have to go for a dialysis. In this condition, what we can do? One thing is, prevention is always better than cure. So we have to understand that we have to have an optimum quantity, quality, and optimum type of food, and we have to have optimum exercises, muscle movement, joint movement. But or in that case, when your doctor recommend a dialysis, don't go for vigorous, or you may think that no, I'll go to the gymnasium and work it out. Please don't go do that. No vigorous exercises once the creatinine has been shot up. No, then what we can do is, one thing is, you can take care of your kidneys by not allowing the creatinine to shoot up. How is it? First thing is, you have to take care of your food. What you consume is one of the major determinant of kidney strength. So what kind of food you have to take? Basically speaking, it has to be a sattvic food or an alkaline food. And the most alkaline food items been recommended worldwide is the first one is bell pepper. Anyway, that is supposed to be, bell peppers are supposed to be most rich in vitamin C, even richer than lemons. So raw bell peppers can be consumed, raw cabbages, then berry, any kind of berry can be consumed, then lemon juice with along with honey in water, that can be taken in empty stomach. Then corns are very good. Or any even if you are consuming rice, being an Indian, we may be opting for rice or wheat. Then go for whole wheat or brown rice. It should not be polished. And even though these are recommended, never go for processed wheat or packet food or canned food like that. That will do more harm. Even though it's being recommended, never go for processed food. Always opt for raw food in its rawest form. Whichever rawer form you can consume, go for that. Then you can take pulses, but make sure that it is always sprouts. No pulse in dry form, because the dry protein is very harmful. Once it is sprouted, for you put it in water, keep it in water for 6 to 8 hours, then keep it strain it and keep it for again 6 to 8 hours. Then you can consume it as it is, raw sprout, or lightly cooked. You can take it, no problem. But as far as Indians are concerned, dal is one of the most important items in their menu. But that has to be avoided, because the dal always comes as a polished material. So once that outer peel is gone, most of the fibers will be gone out, and many preservatives will be added. That is also harmful for the kidney. So while taking food, you will have to, and quantity also, you'll have to go for a minimum quantity, half full only, half stomach only you will have to eat. Don't overeat, and you have to take sufficient amount of quantity of water, not too much or too less. That has to be taken care about food. Then another thing is exercising. No vigorous exercise. Once you are healthy itself, as a prevention, you can go for adequate exercise, not vigorous, I would say. But once it is identified, never go for vigorous exercise. No problem. It will create more problems. Then there are certain natural remedies to, once the creatinine has shoot up, and prevent dialysis. We'll go for that. One of the recommended remedies are, you might have heard of nettles. This is it. This is called the common Indian nettle, called Kuppai Meni in Tamil, Kuppameni in Malayalam. Hope you can see, and it has resemblance to the other nettle. See the difference. This is also actually this is highly itching, but we consume the leaves as curry. But take care. Now here we recommend this one with less itching. And how to identify these two, between this itching nettle and the other one? See the stem. The itching nettle, it has a brown tint, and the common nettle, it is green itself. Then the leaves are, see the leaves of itching nettle are more hairy. Leaves can be consumed as curry or thoran or anything like that. For that, for one cup of tea, you can have 1 or 2 such nettles along with the roots. The whole thing you can take, clean it, boil it with 2 cups of water, make it half cup, 1 cup, consume it early morning in empty stomach itself. You can add a little bit of honey if you prefer it. This is a one-stop remedy for creatine shoot up. Don't forget it. Kupai Mani, and even this promotes kidney health, overall health of the kidney, and prostate this can solve prostate problem also. This is Indian nettle. See. Okay. Then once it has highly shoot up and once dialysis recommended, you may opt for dialysis or not, whatever, it's up to you. But I can tell you another technique, which is the main ingredient is our ginger, and I will tell you how to use it. See, ginger. You take 200 to 300 grams. Then take a cotton bag. You may add it to the cotton bag. Crush it. After thoroughly cleaning and crushing it, you may add it to the cotton bag. Wrap it like this. Put it in the boiling water. Thoroughly boil it, and or you can take a cotton bag or even a clean piece of cotton cloth will do, preferably white. Clean it, make a bag like this, wrap it like this, put it in the boiling water. There should be 2 bags like this. So make the the kidney patient to lie down. We have to go for the help of some other person. You may not be able to do it alone, and make the patient to lie down on his front. Then take 1 bag at a time, squeeze it, bring it to a bearable temperature, then apply it on the back side of behind the kidney point, on the side of the back, left and right. Then when it is done, keep it inside the boiling water again, take the other bag, then again apply on both sides. Continue it for 15 to 20 minutes. If we can do it twice a day, that will be good. Even people says that, those who have done it says that within a week or 2, you will have the creatinine level would go down. Anyway, you can just try it because there is no harm in doing that. So don't forget, you can consume it. Ginger in the food item. Another thing we will have to take care of is India. As far as Indian food are concerned, we use lot of pepper, red chili powder like that. You'll have to avoid it completely. Instead of red chili powder, you substitute it with black pepper or ginger itself. Okay, ginger is you can consume it, and even externally also it is helpful. And don't forget Indian nettle. You can try it out and be healthy.